Hey everybody, Prepper Nurse 1 here. Today is Monday. It is the 23rd of May 2022. We've been busy today. We getting some things done, and I'll show you here. We'll take a walk around, and got a little bit more to do, of course, but you know, we're working on things. Before we get into this video, I just want to remind everybody that I will be live streaming tonight for hardcore preppers only. So if you would like to be part of that, go to my main page here on YouTube, hit the join button, become a hardcore prepper, and you can join us in that live stream tonight. That is just for my hardcore prepper members. All right. And there's Becky picking weeds, and we're going to show you what she's been working in here today. I've been working on cutting grass, and I've ended up having to go on the grass. Ended up doing 2 and 3 times over the same spots because it was so high. But Becky's been working in between the rows here, and I actually cut this part down over here. But she is working on those, and Heather's going to be coming out to help her in a moment with that. But she's got this row here cleaned out already. She got this one here is cleaned out. That looks really good. And she cleaned out this one as well. I hit this area here with the lawnmower. We got potatoes planted today. And so I had some of my brown potatoes. They were still here. They were ready to go. We planted them. They got in here today. We have one bed to go over here, and we're going to put in like radishes and carrots and stuff into that bed. All the other beds are planted, and so, you know, and then that bed obviously is just going to be the asparagus bed. But I hit through this area here with the lawnmower today, hit this area here. I ended up, we'll take a walk. Now, I just cut this over here. Less than a week ago. I did this part over here again, second time. I did this corner so far. I'm going to have to hit this area over here again. So listen, guys, if you are interested and you want to buy my property here in New York, that's who you get a hold of. That is a for sale sign. It is by Howard Hanna, and you're going to give Dick a call, and there's the number. All right. So we will, but you can see this is growing up again pretty quickly. So I'm going to be hitting this area again. I'm going to do that today. I'm going to show you another area that I'm working on first, and I'll hit this area over here again as well. But I was working on stuff this morning, and I was like, okay, that's enough for right now. Nice day today. It's about 64 degrees. So not too hot, not too cold, which is a good thing. And we're going to walk up over here. Hello, my dear. Are you my good girl? Yes. Are you my good baby? Are you? And there's Miss Pandora. 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 Hi, baby. All right, and then Caesar, he's over there sitting. He don't care. So then I was hitting this area over here as well. Took care of this, and then I started over here, and so hit this. I have to do more over here, so I'm gonna have to go. I'm gonna cut back through there and get this whole area here cut down as well. I came back here where the other shed is, and I hit through this area in here as well, trying to open that up a little bit. So it definitely looks better. But like I said, there's still, like I said, I'm gonna have to go. It's pretty high, but I'll cut that back and I'll cut through this area. And that's what I was working on when I was like, okay, that's enough for right now. But we got the trees looking good in here. A couple of more blueberry bushes here. These, oh, look at this. Well, I guess I forgot all about that. Well, I was filling the tank up. Hey, Beck. Beck. Come here. Come on over here a second. I think it might be full.
Holy shit. Holy shit.
Yeah.
You shouldn't have left it on when you
I wasn't, you know what, when I left, I didn't even think about it. So it's definitely full.
Yeah, it's full.
So, come and look, Heath. I'm just walking up here and all of a sudden I'm like, oh! I forgot completely that I left it on.
I'm making our little swamp environment.
That's right. We're gonna be planting the rice soon. So, yeah. So there's one of the mistakes that does happen. So I'll pull that out of there in a minute, and I'll put that back on here. All right. All right. Well, these are things that happen. So, but anyway, I had cut in here. I have to move the hose, and I got to hit that other area real quick. I completely forgot about that. I turned that on this morning. It was lower. I wanted to fill the tank up. I guess it's full now. So, but fun times. But anyway, well, what are you gonna do? So anyway, I got to cut. Like I said, I got to cut this area here yet, and so we're getting things cleaned up, making it look better. Obviously, so I got blueberry bushes over here, guys, that we had planted last year. These went in last year, and you can see the bees right on there pollinating stuff, which is awesome. So we should get, you can see the blossoms there. So we should get blueberries off of here this year, is my guess, and that's a good thing. But so anyway, that's kind of where we're at. Just trying to get things squared away, making the place look a little bit more presentable. The garden beds are definitely, this area is looking better already. It just takes time. You got to have the weather to utilize and to do that as well. So, oh, with cutting the grass?
Yeah.
Yeah. And so you guys know.
We're not against cutting the lawn, just the lawnmower was locked up, so we couldn't get to it.
Well, and that's what I told people. I said the lawnmower was locked up; they couldn't get to it. But I did talk to Becky's boyfriend and asked him, while I'm gone, I'm going to be leaving the lawnmower in the greenhouse, and I asked him if he would, while I'm gone, if the grass needs cutting, to hit the grass, so that I don't have to come back and have 3 weeks worth of grass growth all over everything. So, but
I don't know why you wouldn't want that.
oh, it's so much fun. I like to do the same area 2 and 3 times. It makes it much more challenging. But yeah, these look a lot better. Looks a lot better. So, but that's where we're at, guys. That's what we're working on today. We're just trying to get things cleaned up, make it look better, make it look more presentable, and that's where we're at. But low-key day as far as, nothing super exciting, but just taking care of business. And so I'm going to actually jump off of here. I'll get this video uploaded for you guys, and I am going to get back at it on the lawnmower and get that squared away. But yeah, it looks much better here. Again, all these things, they all take time. So it'll come together. But garden is pretty much all planted now. The potatoes are now in. Like I said, we got one bed over there that has to be planted yet, and that's going to be like carrots and radishes. So we're going to be able to rotate them out and probably get a couple of plantings in, and so that's a good thing. All right, so that is that. Four-wheeler's going with me on my next trip down, and there's Scraggly Cat. They're chilling out, as you can see. Made sure I fed him this morning. He looks pretty beat up, but very friendly cat. No, he's not a jerk or nothing. So I was able to pet him earlier today, and so we'll just take care of him as much as we can. So anyway, guys, and then of course we have, you know, you can see poor old Soxy, she's just wasting away. And you got Mr. Loose. So anyway, guys, I hope everybody is doing well. I hope you guys are having a good start to your week. Remember, we are all in this together. We are one race called the human race. As soon as we can figure that one out, we're going to be in much, much better shape. Also remember to hug and kiss the ones that you love. Tell them every single day. Tomorrow is not guaranteed. We never know what's going to happen in life, so it's really important to tell the people that we care about every day how we feel. Last but not least, STD, step, thing, and day. One step at a time, one thing at a time, and one day at a time. Whatever you're trying to do, whatever you're trying to accomplish, you can do it. The only one that's going to stop you from achieving your goals is you. That's it, nobody else. Stay positive, stay away from the negativity, and you're going to be just fine. All right? I hope everybody has a good day, and I will talk to you all later. Prepper Nurse 1, out for now. Miss Molly. Miss Molly. You're so freaking cute. Yeah, I see you. I see you, girl. I see. Hi, Loose. There's Molly. Got little burrs in your tail.